In this problem, we'll look at the area and the perimeter of a square. We're told that a diagonal of a square connects the points -3, -1, and 2, 4. We're asked to find the area and the perimeter of the square. Now, a picture is often worth 1,000 words, so we'll start by just graphing or plotting the points -3, -1, and 2, 4. So -3, -1, and 2, 4. This is the diagonal of a square, which means that the other points on the square have to be here at 2, -1, and up here at -3, 4. So this forms this square. Each side of the square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. Well, now that we've drawn the square, the perimeter of the square would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 4 times 5, or 20, and we'll just call them units because we don't have a length. The area of the square would be 5 times 5, or 25 square units. And we found the perimeter and the area of the square.